Hello everyone. It's me Krithika, and I'm Lisha Shetty. This is Ayshathul Suzana. Welcome back to our channel. We are back with another exciting Java tutorial. Today, we're going to learn about sorting and searching, both in arrays and in collections. These are super important concepts because they make it easy to organize and quickly find your data. So let's jump right in. We start with an array list of fruits. List string fruits equals new array list. Fruits.add banana. Fruits.add apple. Fruits.add mango. Then, we sort it using collections.sort fruits. This organizes the list alphabetically. Sorting is useful when you want to present data in order or when you want searching to be faster. Now let's search for an item. Int index equals collections.binary search, fruits, mango. Remember, binary search only works correctly on a sorted list. If your list is not sorted, the result might be wrong, so always sort before searching. Want the list in reverse? Easy. Collections.reverse, fruits. This is handy when you want to display items in descending order, for example, showing the latest items first. And yes, you can reverse any list, not just strings. TreeSet is a special collection that automatically keeps elements sorted and removes duplicates. In this example, we are creating a tree set of integers. First, we add 15, and it gets stored in the set. Next, we add 10. Since TreeSet automatically arranges numbers in ascending order, 10 will be placed before 15. Then, we try to add 15 again, but TreeSet ignores it because duplicates are not allowed. This is one of the best features of TreeSet. It always keeps elements sorted and ensures there are no repeats. So, after all the insertions, the final output will be 10 and 15, in sorted order. Result: a neat, sorted set with no repeats. Perfect when you want unique values without extra effort. You can also work with arrays using the arrays class. String, fruit array equals fruits.toArray, new string 0. Arrays.sort, fruit array. Arrays.binary search, fruit array, apple. This is great when you're working with fixed size data instead of collections. Here's what we learned today. Collections.sort and reverse for lists. Binary search for fast lookups. TreeSet for sorted, unique values. Arrays.binary search for array operations. Sorting and searching are like best friends in programming. They make your data easy to handle. Now let's see the output. So output looks like this where the original list is banana, apple, mango, orange. After sorting, it becomes apple, banana, mango, orange. Binary search finds mango at index 2. Reversing the list gives orange, mango, banana, apple. The tree set arranges numbers in ascending order as 5, 10, 15, 20. Finally, in the sorted array, apple is found at index 0. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit subscribe bell, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and keep coding with Java. Happy coding!